Hello and welcome back to Coca English. I'm Layla.
And I'm Sam. This is the place where we explore one simple, useful word in every podcast. We help you understand it, say it, and use it.
That's right, Sam. We know that sometimes one word can open the door to 100 conversations. Our job is to find that key for you.
Today we have a very special word. It's a word that connects people. It's a word about family, about time, and about groups of people. Are you ready, Layla?
I am ready, Sam. Today's word is generation.
Generation. Let's say it together, everyone. Generation. Generation.
It's a long word, but it's not a difficult one. It has 4 parts. Gen, a, shen. Say it slowly with me. Gen, a, shen. Excellent.
So what does generation mean? The simplest way to think about it is a group. But it's a very specific kind of group. It is a group of people who are born around the same time.
Think about your family. You have your parents and you have your grandparents. These are different groups born in different years. Each group is a generation.
Exactly. For example, my grandparents are one generation. My parents are the next generation. And my brother, my sister, and we are another generation. We are the youngest generation in my family right now.
So in a family, a generation is all the people who are at a similar stage in that family. Grandparents are one stage, parents are another, and children are another. It helps us talk about family history.
Let's make a simple sentence. My mother and my aunt are from the same generation. This means they were born around the same time in the same family group.
Perfect. But generation is not only for families. We also use it to talk about bigger groups in society. We talk about all the people in the world who are young at the same time.
For example, you often hear the phrase, the younger generation, or the older generation. The younger generation means all the young people living now. The older generation means all the older people living now.
My grandfather loves to tell me stories. Sometimes he says, Layla, in my generation, we didn't have smartphones. We played outside all day. He is talking about the time when he was a child and all the children at that time.
And I sometimes say, my generation loves video games and the internet. I am talking about people who are about my age. So generation helps us understand the differences and similarities between age groups.
Now, let's think about time. A generation can also describe a period of time. How long is a generation? Well, it's usually about 25 to 30 years. This is the average time between parents having children and those children growing up to have their own children.
So, if we say this car model is popular for a generation, it means it was popular for about 25 or 30 years. It's a long time.
It is a long time. We also use the word with new, old, and next. For example, the new generation of something is the newest, most recent version.
Can you think of an example, Layla?
Of course. Think about mobile phones. The iPhone 15 is a new generation of phone. It comes after the iPhone 14. Each new model is a new generation. It has new ideas and new technology.
And we can talk about the next generation. This means the people or the things that will come in the future. For example, we need to protect our planet for the next generation. This means for the children of today and their children.
That's a very important point, Sam. The next generation is our future.
So let's talk about how we use this word in a sentence. It's a noun, so we often use it with of.
Good point. We say a generation of people or a new generation of computers. Let's practice with some simple sentences.
Sentence 1. My parents' generation listened to music on the radio.
Sentence 2. This is a picture of 3 generations of my family: my grandmother, my mother, and me.
Sentence 3. The new generation of students uses tablets in school.
Wonderful. Did you hear how we used it? It's always about a group in time.
Now, let's have a little fun. Layla, I have a question for you. What is the difference between your generation and your grandparents' generation?
That's a great question, Sam. Well, in my grandparents' generation, they wrote letters with a pen and paper. They posted the letters, and it took days or weeks for the letter to arrive.
And in your generation?
In my generation, I send a message on my phone. It arrives in 1 second. It's very, very fast. How about you, Sam? What is something your generation does?
In my generation, we watch videos on the internet to learn new things, like this podcast. My grandfather's generation learned from books or by asking people. Both ways are good, but they are different.
It's interesting to see how things change from one generation to the next.
So, let's remember today's word. It's generation.
Can you say it? Generation.
It means a group of people born around the same time, like in a family.
It can also mean a period of about 25 to 30 years.
And we use it to talk about new and old versions of things, like a new generation of phones.
You now know a very useful word. You can talk about your family. You can talk about the world. You can talk about new technology.
We want to hear from you. Please tell us a sentence using the word generation.
Yes, write a sentence in the comments below. You can tell us about your family. For example, you can write, "In my family, there are 3 generations living together," or "My favorite phone is the newest generation."
Don't be shy. Practice makes perfect. We read all your comments and we love to see your sentences. You are part of the Coca English generation of learners.
We are so happy to learn English with you. Thank you for listening today.
Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep using your new words.